welcome to Intellify. This is Akanksha Vyas. Here we are gonna discuss NCERT solution for class 10th mathematics exercise 10.1 topic circles. So in this video we have to discuss question number 2 of exercise 10.1. Question number 2 is fill in the blanks, and the first blank is a tangent to a circle intersects it in dash, point or points. So a tangent intersects the circle where? So a tangent is a line that passes by the circle and meets the circle at only one point. So by the definition of tangent you have the answer for your this blank, which is 1. A tangent to a circle intersects it in one point. Now the second blank is a line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called a secant. So your answer is secant here, which is very simple. Likewise, a tangent only intersects the circle at one point. So at one point it is tangent, and if the line intersects the circle by 2 points, it would be dividing the circle in some parts in some proportion. So that line which divides the circle in some proportion, which intersects it at 2 points, is a secant. Now moving on to your third blank. The third blank is a circle can have dash parallel tangents at most. So in this blank we need to visualize if we draw a circle. So how many parallel lines can be formed? So number of parallel lines is infinite, right? But think of this figure. If we are considering this point, so there is a tangent. Tangents would be cutting it, right? Parallel tangents or parallel lines to this tangent. There would be a point when we draw a parallel line which would intersect this at this point, right? So there can be only 2 lines that can be tangent to a circle and as well as be parallel to themselves. So a circle can have 2 parallel tangents at most. Your fourth blank is a common point of tangent to a circle is called dash. So it has a particular name. Its name is point of contact. So the point when the tangent touches the circle at a point, that point is point of contact, because it is kind of a contact between the circle and the tangent. So the name is point of contact. So thank you. Bye bye.